Alright, it's Memorial Day, so I'm going to change out one of the flags here for our armed services boys. So I like my flag holder here. The only thing is, you can't fly it at half staff very well. That's the only problem I have. Fuck up here. There you go. There you go. Now, I should be done for half miles. What are you knuckleheads doing, huh? You guys need to get on out. Go on. Skedaddle on out. Go on up. Puppies. Go on. Go on. Good boys. Good girls. Good boys. Good girls. Come on. Alright. So, I gotta, again, do work in order to do work. I gotta mow that paddock area where I'm gonna have to do some trenching just so the grass is knocked down on it. But hopefully everything is working on my hustler now, and I'll be able to go kick some ass. So let's see what transpires here with me hustler. Well, here I am, down in the ditch, shoveling by hand because One, I don't want to pop that with the excavator. And two, since I'd widened this out so I could work in here, I kind of left myself no facilities to bring the excavator in to get this last little hump out of here. So that's what I'm doing. And then to find out, down where you see those lines which cut into the house, down below them, as I was hand shoveling out around those so I could splice into the water line and cut the electric and run it up here, there's another water line down there. Not on any drawings. I'm glad I didn't snag it, but I think it runs into the house over here, and then it tees in with the equipment and comes out the front PVC, and I think it's for the sprinkler stuff. But anyway, man, pain in the ass, I'm telling you. Shoveling in the ditch. That's my life. That's what I'm doing. I'm shoveling in the ditch. And you can see it's a beautiful day. It's the well behind me. And there's the ditch in front of me. Continue on shoveling. I'm almost done here. Alright, I'm going to video this just in case like I die. Well, there she is, loaded up, going back. I can't say it's been fun. I can't say it's been real. It's been real though, I can say that. But it hasn't been fun. So it has not been real fun. But I think its job is done here. And I'm off to Sunbelt to take back their little excavator. Well, I believe I got all my trenching 98% done. I just got to knock that out underneath that bridge of pipes there. And she's a deep one, boys. Three pipes down there. One's water and the one's electrical, but I'm not sure what the other one is. I don't know if it's part of the sprinkler crap. That's just the stuff just baffles me, man. There's things everywhere. Pipes going every which place. Here's one. I broke this one. I didn't even see what it broke off of. I gotta find it. It's in there somewhere. It's not deep, so just needs more shoveling. That one I know. There's the piece to it. That so I'll splice that back together. I know that's for the sprinkler where it comes out. So I had to work around that guy. This is a dugout going in here. As you can see. That's going to be for a spigot, so we're going to put a T there. And then down to the biggest debacle of the day is there's another water pipe down there, which is not on the drawings. 3. I think I figured out what the third one's for, and again, I think it's part of all the sprinkler crap. But I don't know, man. I got to consult with somebody how to tie into those two pipes because they're at different elevations. They're so close to one another. I'm not even sure. Like I said, this ain't my job. I just kind of do it, you know. And roughly, just very roughly, from the well head to that pipe down there is 101 feet. Plus or minus, and these rolls come in. Oh, I didn't mention the biggest debacle of the day. Let's go back. If you look at this black water line, I don't know what I was thinking. That black water line is 1 inch. The black water line down there is 1 inch. All my frickin' fittings are 1 1/4 because I bought 1 1/4 pipe, flex pipe, which I'm still gonna run 1 1/4, but all my fittings to tee off into the house, into the barn lines, won't work. I need reducers from 1 1/4, which this stuff is, to that inch. Spread this one out today, hoping the heat would let it stretch out a little bit. That's going to go into the well. I'll wipe it down as it goes, as we send it. Just to get everything off of it as it goes down. But anyway, so that was the big debacle of the day. I got the mini excavator back. My new GoPro showed up today. Me, I look like a little pig pen today. All pig penned out. So, three days of the mini excavator wound up being 800 and some odd dollars rather than just the $300 for the one day. $860. Actually, shit. There's a grand. They charged me $129 for the rental protection plan. That bites. Anyway, that's what it is. They charged me for a week. Had it 3 days, which the day is $300. So I could have kept it longer. Well, that's the way things go. That's how things go. So, peace, folks, and I'll be back at it again tomorrow.